gonna stop my video and say you want me to come live. And just call me out and I'll pop in.
What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the MOJO Day Trading. How's everybody doing? Hold on, I gotta give a little mute on my boy right here. Let me get right in here. Hold on a second. All right, there we go. On the MOJO Day Trading show, Pro Trader Mike. How's everybody doing, guys? So, nice. Mojo called it again. Correction in the Dow Jones Industrial, correction in the stock market. Heeded my warning. Sunday night, I sent out my newsletter. It was quite interesting. Let's check it out. Here's my newsletter. My Monday night update, my Tuesday morning update. Dudes, I don't usually send out a lot of updates, but this update is pretty updated. So, good morning mojos on this day. Let's go to Monday. State of the markets. Markets down 700 points. So on Monday, May 10th, as part of the Mojo newsletter, I did my Sunday normal research that I've done for 30 years. Blow this up a little bit. Right here. And picked RHEE. There was this REIT industry because the housing market is crazy strong. So all these REIT stocks were going crazy. IHT today, RHE yesterday. It went from 17 through 20, went high at 22 off 18. I said right here, the others I'm watching, because if they fade, they're going to go down big time. And I do believe this is the start of a correction. I said, if we firm up tomorrow, expect two things from me. I'll pick a bottom and try to send you out a combo of stocks and cryptos. So be patient, stay tuned for the next email to hit your inbox. And I have a few members that asked me why they didn't get stock picks as promised. They just signed up for the newsletter. My reply was, I hope they can appreciate it. I have subscribers for years that appreciate my market timing. And when there's too much risk in the market, it presents itself, Mojo backs off from getting aggressive with new picks. I actually look for crypto picks. And if there's any dips in those because money's shifting over and cryptos are on fire, Bitcoin's over 500% in the last couple of months, Ethereum's up like 1,000% in the last couple of months, and even little Dogecoin's up like 700% in the last couple of months. Okay? So I monitor picks to show stability during a downturn, like now. So they usually rise up when the market's stable and they rise up. I'm watching a few of them, and if something happens, I'd send them out to you if there's a nice recovery, but there wasn't. So for a hedge, take UVXY at $4. Stock was up 35% today, and SQQ at $12. Stock was over 13 today and closed there, and this stock was over 5, went up a whole point. Very favorable are covered calls, which you can do on those particular stocks. And this stock went from 18 to 20. And then the following day, my Tuesday morning, see for Monday night's list, we're hedging. That's it. There are no picks. You better beware. The market's going to tumble on Tuesday. And we went down 700 points today. Right now, we're up around 39 on the futures, even or so on the S&P and the NASDAQ. So the Dow Jones is 33,475. Didn't correct. We're still above 33,000. Should go 475 points to that, and then 32,777. So it's got about another 800 points to drop. This one should go under 4,000, the S&P, and test 3777. This one has 300 points to go. This one at 12.9 should bounce off 12,777. They're all going to bounce off 777, lucky sevens. So that's their bottom, whether they don't do it tomorrow or the next day, but we are in a correction. So I'm looking like where this banner says to get into some Dash, some Zcash, and some other coins like this one, the New York coin. And I got on my show tonight, really special guest. I'm going to bring him on and introduce Charles from New York Coin, and we're going to show you what the New York coin's all about.
Hey, Mike. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Thanks for being on the show. I think we have a much better connection and situation than the last time, that's for sure. So let me bring you on over right here. And I'm on the New York coin. And a little bit about New York coin. I met you guys from online. One of the developers has been following the Mojo for probably a year and a half to 2 years, and I've been following New York coin. I actually got several domains years back: ohiocoin.com, New York coin, Tennessee coin. I got like 20 of the states when one of the states said they were into, I think it was Ohio at first, but then they just expired because Bitcoin went to 3,000 from 16,000, and it was a bear market, but now it's at 60,000 and everybody knows it's real. So with that said, that's where I bring in you guys. And what happened was I started reviewing coins on the MOJO Day Trading show about a week or 2 months ago, and I'm starting that for the future. And for a little bit of coin, a financial non-event from the company, no one's showing the world who you are, what you do, the potential you have. And me, with my ability to show, teach, and bring to an audience of traders and people interested in crypto that would want to know what New York coin is, how to find it, how to buy it, and what maybe things are coming out in the future. And with that said, this is Charles from New York coin, everyone.
Hey, good evening, everyone. Normally, I handle most of the sport and a lot of the tech side of the house. So you stuck with me. We don't have our social networking guys available tonight, but I'll do the best I can to give you the background. First about myself, I'm a software engineer, primarily doing front-end work, tooling for major media companies and financial companies in Manhattan, New York City area. First got involved in New York coin in 2017. Set up a GitHub repo because the project looked kind of dead. Wasn't a lot of activity, and the code needed updating. So that was sort of my segue. I first discovered New York coin while I was mining. I was doing a lot of Litecoin mining in late 2017, and I was mining for passion. And they had a really nice interface, so you could see all the script coins that were available from. And New York coin happened to be one of them. I thought, hey, I'm a New Yorker. Not born here, but been here about 12 years, so I consider myself a New Yorker. So I checked it out, I followed up on it, I contacted a guy named Charlie Karchner, and he had been doing mining, sort of kept it alive since 2014 and up to 2017. And so we worked with him for a while, building a new website, creating a new updated wallet, got rid of some of the error messages that were really making it difficult to use, and built up a community around that. We introduced some code changes, introduced merge mining, auxiliary proof of work, so that we could extend our hash rate, get more security to the coin. That's the basic rundown of my introduction to the coin. Currently, I'm probably the number one contributor to the community Discord. I'm constantly answering people's questions, giving them bootstraps, helping them solve problems, giving them advice. For instance, don't trade on Robit because you can't get your coins off Robit. That's a common thing that keeps coming up. But I'm really excited to talk about the direction we're going in. New York coin is the community is in the process of pivoting. And I should explain to you that there are more than one community or group of people working on New York coin. We're nycoin.community, and I'll get you post the links to our GitHub after at the end of the show notes. But the things that we're currently working on, we're pivoting from merchant solutions merchant adoption, over to charity work. We've recently been accepted as one of the potential one of the possible cryptocurrencies for Blessings for Africa, and many of our community have already made donations. We're strongly pivoting towards education. We're going to be revamping our website, and you get a chance to throw up the colorcode.io site, Mike. We'll be working with Sina over there at colorcode.io. He's a good friend of mine. I've worked with him on several projects in the past. He's going to get us started with video content and help us build our curriculum out. And we plan to take it to New York City school system. We want to teach kids about crypto, everything about it, from mining it, from proof of work, proof of stake, all of the core key elements. We want to teach them about exchanges, how to use them, how to download wallets, how to write code. We're going to be doing it all. So it's an exciting time for us, and I'm really happy to share that. The other things we're working on are equally exciting. We recently wrapped New York Coin, and we're on Binance Smart Chain. We're on easily half a dozen to a dozen decentralized exchanges. All the big ones: PancakeSwap, 1inch, ApeSwap, PancakeSwap. The list goes on and on, and they're more being added every day. So this gives people an opportunity to trade on other networks instead of just the three centralized exchanges currently on, which are South Exchange, Stex, and GraviX. There's a couple smaller exchanges that they don't have much volume, but they've been with us for a long time. So I'm going to mention their exchange because those guys have always had our back, and we like to support them too. For hashing, Mining Dutch, those guys, Zerpool, they're big supporters of New York Coin. They provide a hash rate to secure their network. Shout out to them. The WNYC, we're very excited about that. You can do add to liquidity pools, make a little money that way. We're working on.
Can you explain a little bit of that? Because I had a lot of questions about that today. What WNYC wrapped New York Coin, and what this bridge is, and how it relates to PancakeSwap and these other Uniswap and these other big other platforms.
Can you pull up PancakeSwap?
Yeah, right here.
Got it. All right. So we currently don't have farms and staking community liquidity pools, but as we expand and build up the number of addresses, we're currently just maybe 100 shy of the 2,500 we need to go to get adopted completely with that number of things. I apologize for not knowing more about how that's working, because this is actually Crypto Lover's thing. And as I've alluded to, there are multiple communities in Crypto Lover. While he does coordinate with us, he has his own thing going on, and we like that because we're very decentralized. No one owns this project. Yeah, you contribute, you make something happen. Well, that's what's exciting about this community and this team. Anyone can come in and contribute, make an impact. So the staking pools are pretty interesting. For instance, I stake on DNC and WNYC. So you put basically equal amounts of each in there, and then you get on PancakeSwap, you get, I think, 0.17% of every trade. So you can make a little bit of money that way. And me personally, I kind of missed out on all of the BNB finance tokens, so I'm trying to catch up.
And what about the mining side of New York Coin? Is that still available to mine?
So now that we're proof of work, auxiliary proof of work, we do merge mine. You can't really solo mine. It's just not cost effective. But what you can do is mine on the pools that support us, with Zerpool, ProHashing, and Mining Dutch. And you can take your payout in New York Coin. So you don't even have to have just a strip miner. Any hardware that they support can be used to mine and take your payout in New York coin.
And are these the pools that are on the site right here with the mining?
Yes.
Okay, so you come to New York NYC coin community, mining pools, and there it is, guys. The pro hashing, the mining Dutch, the Zurge pool, and the coin stop. So you click that pro hashing, it'll take you over here and it'll show you New York coin. And right now it's on the current block of 7,427,000. So if you downloaded the wallet, would it go through and sync every transaction?
Yes, it would, but you probably want to load a bootstrap.
Yeah, there you go. Mine. These are the right here.
This is a fast sync though, that you can type in when you launch it, and it will potentially get you up to speed in a day or two.
You guys know how crazy the New Yorkers are, man. I'm from New York myself, Long Island. I grew up, New Yorkers, the Knicks, the Mets, the Yankees, in the New York coin. They're like at the Yankee game going, yo, you come pay with your New York coin and you get a hat and a little souvenir, dude. Everyone's going to be like, yo, how do I get New York coin? Because they're doing a promo at the Yankees game. And and all the players are celebrities, and they want to get paid in New York coin now. And I don't want my salary. Give me some of that New York coin, and give me some of that bar coin and dance coin, and they're all going to be the future, guys. And these celebrities are tying themselves day by day to a coin. So I wonder what celebrity in the future is going to be tied to a NYC. Hope you're not going to be that mayor guy. Hope you're not going to be the mayor, dude. But yeah, some other good celebrity.
Yeah, we're pretty excited. We think that celebrities will find us in the field and coin to support, especially after we complete our pivot.
And it's real, so it's great. So I appreciate all the information that you've given. Anything new developments that you have coming out?
Yeah, as I said, we will be spinning up a new site to highlight our education pivot. But in addition to Binance Smart Chain, we'll be supporting Ethereum. So we'll have a wrap token on that network as well. And I'm really excited about PancakeSwap, or Polkadot, I should say. A couple of us are going through a 6-week course right now, training up on Substrate. So much going on in that space. We plan to build a bridge currently. Our plan may change once I finish the coursework and understand the ecosystem a little bit better. But we'll definitely be on Kusama, we'll be on Polkadot, we're going to be everywhere.
That's going to be amazing. So, guys, and the cryptos are down now. So, you know what they say, BFTD, and it's like, the ladies and the missus, she's got her eye on a lot of great things, and inflation and the prices are up. But when there's a sale and a bargain, dude, they're boom, animals in there. Boom, then women get me that sale. It's nothing happened to the object, the dress, the shoes, the purses. It just went down. Same thing. Them coins, man, nothing changed with the coins in the last week to 2 weeks to a month. When those coins dip, they're on sale. You got to go take that bargain and have a list of 10 of them that you like. And then when it dips, you're in. The men, it's time for the men to go animal and ballistic and go get them coins, man. And come to me and I'll show you how to buy them, where to buy them, and do all that. And when Charles signs off, I'll take you through the New York Coin website and I'll show you the exchanges and where they are and how to pick up a little bit of that. It's on that stacks. Absolutely.
I'm just going to sign off and let Mike take it.
Thanks, bud. I appreciate having on the show, and take care and great luck with everything with the NYC. Peace.
Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
You have a good evening.
Nice. Dude, that was Charles, man, from NYC. I did a good show, dude, with Charles, dude. He's on Polkadot, PancakeSwap, dude. I'm like, dude, show me how to turn my New York coin into some wrapped New York coin, dude. Is that going to be better? I'm like learning everything, man. So when I learn it, I could show it to all my students and all my friends, man. Because, dude, I learned, I'm doing everything first, bro. They're just on opening a Coinbase account, learning how to transfer Bitcoin from here to there. I'm doing wrap Bitcoin bridges, swaps, staking in farms, dude. Farm yielding, dude, that's big. I saw this one farm yield. You can get 600, it was 62.9% APR. Dude, you go to a bank, what do they give you? 1% APR interest? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's go to, where is this one? Not on Bits, on Stacks. So you come into here. This is the Stacks exchange. This is one of the exchanges the coin is on. It's also on right here. You go to altcoins coinmarketcap.com, coinmarketcap, and put in NYC. They are on 30,000 watch lists, and they're ranked 3842. So in a year, are they going to be ranked fourth, worse or better? If they're worse, the coin's crap. It'll go lower from, there's no zeros in front of it. It's at 97. So there's a 97% chance it's going above $1 or $1 or par. If not, it goes way lower and it's done. But it's been around already for 5 years, since 2016. No one's abandoned it. These guys that love New York are taking it over and developing it and taking courses themselves to further expand it and take it higher. So that's why I have them on the show. I'm developing like William J. O'Neill, the Ken Slim of crypto. So I want to take here and I want to go, let me go blank. So I want to go here and I want to go Ken Slim. William O'Neill, editor of the Investor's Business Daily, saw every small stock in the history of time that ever went from 10 to over $100 per share. He put them in the computer and he found they had 7 similar characteristics. The C stood for current earnings per share. He saw all the best companies were growing 30 to 50% for 3 to 5 years. I like companies that are growing 100% to 300% for the last year. I like smaller ones. I don't need them to be as long, because if you're growing like that, you got some goods going on. The A, annual sales, same thing, 100% to 300% for the last year. The longer, the better. The N, all of the greatest companies had something new that they were involved with. Something exciting, a new CEO maybe, they were hitting a new high. That's the new. Coins. C, current, right here, growth with the wallet and the website. A stands for adoption. I want to see that coin increasing adoption higher and higher. The N, everything about the coins is new. The S for the coins, shares outstanding for the stock. All the small stocks, not the huge ones, like Bitcoin's already huge, has a huge, it's huge out there already. No, you want, not like Bitcoin, you want some other coins. Let's scroll down the page here, and we're going to talk about institutional sponsorship right here, the I. So you have to look for coins that would be picked up by the institutions, because the big boys and the whales move it. And you want to be in the right phase of the market. If NFTs are hot, right? You don't want to be in the XBC category, whatever it is, down let's say I can't even think of a category, brain freeze, but a different category. You want to be in what's hot. Okay? And this system is what I'm applying to the winning coins. Check this out. See this coin? The future. I am coming out with a pick in my crypto newsletter that'll make the hair on your arm stand up right now. Did you see Elon Musk's post? Did you see Elon's post? Let me show you. Dude. Let me show you Elon's post. Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We're concerned about rapidly increasing fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has worst emissions of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe has a promising future, but this cannot come at a great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to be more sustainable energy. We're looking into another cryptos. Thank you very much. I know what those cryptos are. And if you want those cryptos that he's going to be getting into, I already know what they are. You need to join my new cryptocurrency newsletter. Go to my website, mojodaytrading.com. Right here, go to newsletters. My crypto newsletter, I want it. It's delivered every Sunday. That pick is going in the newsletter. And I'm sending it out this weekend. There's no rush. No one knows about the coins yet. I know which ones they are. Should make the hair on your hair on the back of your neck stand up right now. Okay, weekly newsletter. Right here. You join the weekly newsletter, I'll give you the first month for free. 0. If you like it, it renews for $149 a month. That means the picks are working and you're making money. If not, you can cancel anytime. If you join that crypto newsletter, this right there, and do that 1 month right there, your next month is for free. If you want to contact me, I could put out a link. I think I have a link. I do. I have a link for $0. You could use it right here. I'll put it into the chat. I think I have it. I do. $0. Right here, boys and girls. A link? I think I have a link. I do. I have a link for $0. You can use it right here. Uh-oh, someone. Hold on. There you go. There's the right there. Click on that link. Hey, Autocluse, what's up, buddy? Yeah, it's too late to get into Shiba Inu. What's his name has already put it out into crypto land. Vitaly Buterin. He has $8 billion worth of that coin, and he's already used his influence to get it listed on KuCoin and the other exchanges so he can crash it down and sell his $8 billion worth. So guys, I just put a link out into the chat for a special tonight. $0, dude. It's nothing. No risk. The only risk now is you don't grab that offer and sign up for $0. You do have to put in your credit card because it's going to bill you 0. and you can cancel it anytime. But if you keep it, it will renew in 30 days for $149, and I'll have given you 4 weeks worth of picks. That will be the creme and the creme and the creme de la creme, I think. That's what that is, you know what I mean? Where is that thing? Dudes, so smash that like button, dudes. Let me know you love my show. You love what I got going on. Smash it, dude. Come on now. Homies. Bank, bank, bank. Yo, so that's the greatest, man. So the market's in crash mode. What's the futures doing right now? They're up 43. We're up 122. We're going to have a nice little poppy day tomorrow. Back and forth through Hines on SQQ with the futures. That's what we do. But guys, money's flowing out of the stocks into the crypto. And you got to heed that warning and get all over it. I'll be presenting some unbelievable ones for you. I'm excited for that. I gave everybody Shiba Inu. My course is available. I'll give you that too. Here's my Shiba Inu. Right here. Check out the SHIB. So I come here, I'm like, dudes, look at this. I'm like, yo, check out this pick. I'm like teaching last week. And I said, dude, I got this undiscovered gem, dude. It's going to be like a rocket ship. You should take my course. It's only $479. And the picks that I give you in the course, by the time we're done, should pay for the course tenfold. Look what happened. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Shiggle, shiggle. Ooh, what do we see here? Let me take a look. Oh, historical snapshot of what? Dogecoin? In May of 2014 was 0.0004682. Forget the zeros. It's 46 cents, about to go 47, or it's $46.82, very close to $50. And that's where it's going through. Dogecoin went 0.00046 to 37. If you only put $500, those dollar billerinis, you got 108,000 Doge. It's worth 80 grand now. Actually, like 60 because it's at 50 cents. And it's no stable coin. A stable coin doesn't move off a dollar. You could bring it into a store and say, hey, I want to buy with Dogecoin. Like Elon Musk saying, yo, it's going to go to the moon. Dude, that's what he said on Saturday Night Live. It's just a hustle, man. He knows it. Everyone knows it. They're using the exchanges to unload their money on the exchanges. It's not great when the exchange puts out a new coin because all the big dogs are dumping. That's their liquidity, man. They've been sitting on it for a long time. They can't sell it until it gets put on an exchange. Makes a huge pop and then it drops. And you got to go on to the exchanges and set your timer and know when these things trade. And you'd be like Elon riding Doge to the moon. Doge went right here as of today, 37 cents. Trades $8,886,000,000 a day. $8 billion it trades a day. 8 billion. Here's Shiba Inu, this little coin. It's 0.000000015. It's the other little dog. So I'm like, dudes, Elon's going to need another dog. This one's going to get mentioned. You got to check it out. It went last time to 3 cents. Imagine if it did that again. So let's put $100 into it and get 53 million SHIB coins. It goes to 3 cents. $1.5 million. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And there's your rocket ship. You think that'll create your wealth off $100? And you'll buy more on the way up. That thing went, it had 5 zeros and a 1 5. 5 zeros and a 1 5. See ya. Took off through the top of the screen. Look what it did in a matter of days. And this is the Shiba token. He's real. A decentralized mem token that grew on the Vibrant ecosystem. It's crazy. There's armies of SHIB people out there on social media. Armies reading the Wolf paper. Okay, there's SHIB. We're going to buy it because it's got all these zeros, 5 of them, and a 1 9 going to go up through that 2 2. This is what I thought. Volumes coming into the SHIB for the first time. This is no history right here. See all that? That whole line? No history. That'll disappear in the next year as this goes through the top of the screen. It's already listed on all those exchanges. And the Shiba Inu went to the moon. And the Shiba Inu went to the moon. It went up 1,000%. So the coins, dude, are the bomb. So here's my newsletter. I'd love to have you in. I gave you the link. And that's it. There's my pick right here on Bitcoin Diamond. Right here at 278, it went to 10. That was on May 3rd. Right there, May 3rd. Bitcoin Z was up, so I gave you Bitcoin Diamond in the crypto newsletter on Tuesday, May 3rd, and it's over $10. Right now it's at 7, but it went over 10. Here's Ethereum Classic at 12. It's 112. It went to 160. I said it was going to go over 40. It went to 160. Here's the other newsletter. Right here, it was on Friday, March 19th. Scale and Ethereum Classic. Scale was 70 and Ethereum Classic was 12. Here's 2 other ones. This was on February 25th, the third newsletter. This was an update on EOS at $4. And I gave you Harmony, which has gone up from 02. It's up 500%. And VThor token is up 1,000%. Ren's over $1. EOS right there at 3. I gave it to you right here at 261. EOS is all over the news today on Cointelegraph. And it's the top coin on Cointelegraph. Bitcoin loses after Tesla drops. See, you didn't even know that, and I gave it to you. It was crypto. I think I posted it right here. EOS right here, up 46%. The price of EOS tokens up, but development on the network's been down. Can EOS integrated exchange help? Block One invests $10 billion in the exchange. Amazing, right? EOS. And the first pick I ever sent out in the newsletter was Algo on February 2nd, Algorand and EOS. And then before that was on Thursday, January 21st. Nope, that's a swing. Right here, crypto. Nope, that's a swing. I think that was the first one. It says crypto. Here it is. This was my first newsletter. Monday, January 11th. EOS 261. The coin is EOS. Here's the link. This is the number 12 ranked coin in the world. My last newsletter with crypto contained Bitcoin at 4,000 and Dash at 50 and Ethereum at 300. Many great ones. No one believed in the crypto, and I was so bullish on it. Mojo never stopped believing. And I was so strong on GBTC at 795 following a huge Bitcoin move from 11 to 41,000. The stock hit a high of 41. What's going to be the best next big move? The hard thing to pick until now. Mojo stepping up to the plate with a gem of a gem. I used a little coin. I used to watch this little coin trade between 8 and 10 all the time with a high of 19. Right now it's 250. And if there was one coin I would start to accumulate, it's this one. It's not number 112, it's number 12. Yet, has it make it its 50% run like the others? No. If you don't have a way to purchase this coin, you open up a Coinbase account and you do it. And that was back then in January of 2021, my first newsletter. I'd love to have you guys in the newsletter, man. You wouldn't be making a mistake, and it's free to get involved. So I would jump all over it, make them Benjamins. Ah, yes. Thanks, RJB. Appreciate it, bud. Appreciate it, man. You know, at the end of my show, I got some other shows coming up. Appreciate you talking on good stuff on the YouTube for me, Mr. RJB, creme de la crop. Tell him how much you made on SHIB, bro. You were in my course, and you didn't hit the top. You could have. Tell him. You made like what? Tell him. I'm not going to say. I think you made with a couple of zeros and a number bigger than 1 or 2 in front of it. What do you think? What do you think, man? What do you think? Thanks, buddy. So listen, guys, peace. Keep it profitable. Thanks for watching the Mojo Show. And Mojo be wrapping up the day, and I'd be giving you kissy good night. And tomorrow we kick it up live for some trading in the morning because I'd be ready. And the Bitcoin, when I'm sleeping, my machines be pumping like that. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. Let me come back on for a second. Oh, thanks, Mr. RJB. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Yo, I told you in the beginning, you know, everything I talk about on the show, all these forward-looking statements and all that, that's all like fake and hypothetical and disclaimers. You know, you got to watch out where you live, what you do, how you do. Talk to your advisors and your investment advisors. There's the disclaimer. I got a couple million NYC coin to have them on my show, accepting payment for it. There's all letting you all know, no big deal. I'm hodling it, no big deal, and that's what I do. And just to be on the up and up, that's what I got going on. So again, thanks for watching the Mojo Show, and peace. Keep it profitable. I'll see you in the next one, baby. Let it rain on you. That. Well, that. Well, what is he talking about? Well, come on, that. It's not working. Come on.